that popping sound when you move your scalp and thought it relieves headaches? That sound isn't your skull cracking. It's the movement of a layer called the galea sliding over the periosteum, the tissue covering your skull. Some people feel temporary relief, possibly from muscle relaxation or distraction, but it doesn't treat the actual cause of headaches. Doing it too often or too aggressively may irritate the scalp. In rare cases, it could lead to small injuries like a hematoma. And repeated pulling habits may be linked to behaviors like trichotillomania. So satisfying? Maybe. A real solution? Not really. Have you tried it yet? Comment down below and share it to your loved ones you cared.